Just want to say that I know I look like that guy from Shrek. Listen, I haven't done my hair. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ruby, and for today's video, we are doing this soft glam makeup look that I made. And before we start, I just wanted to explain like really quickly why I was not filming like the last of 2019.
Basically, shit just kept happening. First, Aubrey got sick. That's my daughter, if you didn't know. And then I got sick. Then Aubrey got sick again. And then my tripod broke, and so I ordered a new tripod. And then that tripod made the sound like super weird. So then I was like, well, should I buy another tripod or just get a mic? So I got a mic, and yeah.
So first, I'm gonna prime my lids using the Fit Me concealer, and this is in Sand Sable. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my lids using the Maybelline Stay Matte. And then we're gonna put some tape on our lids so we can make that sharp line, because obviously being a soft glam makeup, we don't want it too harsh, so I don't want to use any eyeliner. So this is a little trick in case you don't feel like putting on eyeliner. Let me get close. And what better palette to use than the Soft Glam palette by ABH. So we're gonna start off by taking orange soda. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put that like all over my lid. So next I'm taking burnt orange. So I'm basically just gonna put this on the outer corner and then slowly blend it inwards. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and take sienna. And I am gonna take a smaller brush than the one we're using. So one like this. This is from Alf, by the way, if you guys are interested. I'm going to keep this one on the outer corner, not really bringing it into the inner corner. So just out here. And then I'm taking the brush that we started out with, and I'm just going to blend everything together. Alright guys, so we are almost done. I feel like I'm slouching. I cannot sit up straight though, I'm sorry. So we're almost done, and we're just going to go ahead and take Noir. I don't really know how to say that name, but it's the black one in the palette. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and take an angled brush and kind of do a wing liner with that black. And for this, we're just gonna bring it in halfway into the lid, like we're not gonna take it all the way. Alright, and we're gonna take that small brush again and we're gonna blend that out, because again, we don't want nothing harsh about this makeup look. We are almost done. We're just gonna go ahead and take Tempera, which is like this pretty bone. It has like a bit of a shimmer to it, but we're just gonna go ahead and take that one and put it all over the lid. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it upwards and towards the outer lid. And then go back in with that same brush we started off with, and again, blend. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of a more precise brush. This is the one I'm using. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add Tempera to the brow bone. So the lashes that I'll be using are these right here. And these are the Ardell Wispies. So we're gonna go ahead and finish the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and take burnt orange and sienna and just put them underneath the eyes. And then I'm gonna go with noir, which is the black color, and line my lids with that. Well, my inner, you know what I'm talking about. So for the lower lash line, I'm not bringing the black all the way in. I'm kind of just keeping it like on the outer portion. And then on the upper part, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lid right here, just to like make it more defined. And I'm just using eyeshadow. You can use like an actual pencil, but put some mascara on. Now after I go in with the mascara, and for mascara I use a Roller Lash by Benefit. After I go in with the mascara, I like to go in with the spoolie. It's dirty because I used it for my eyebrows, but I just like to brush out my bottom lashes, just so they can look a little bit more natural and not so spidery. So for lips, I'm taking the lip pencil by NYX, and this is in mahogany. Looks like this. Let me see. And I'm also going to use the liquid lipstick by Kylie Jenner, and this is in Exposed. So this is what it looks like. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair because this is obviously not look cute, and then I'll be back, and yeah. I really like the way my makeup came out, and I hope you guys did too. Subscribe to my channel because I will be doing a video on like how I film and edit and all that stuff. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to subscribe, and yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.